The Travelers event is a Portuguese motorcycle gathering all about travel, adventure and shared experiences. There are riding trainings, test rides, product presentations and a stage where travelers share their stories. But most importantly, it's a place where friends come together to spend the weekend enjoying the same passion. But first, we got to reach the city of Avis, where the event takes place. And to get there, there's a special off-road track prepared by Diogo Guerra from Offroad, of course, and the trackmaster João Curto. Everyone starts from the same point and then rides at their own pace. The route begins in Valada, passes through Coço and Mora, and after roughly 120 kilometers, we finally arrive in Avis, right at the Travelers event. So let's go!
Started following the track 2 minutes ago and I'm already in the wrong in the wrong road, but on the right direction at least.
I wanted to film people while riding, some flybys and moments on the trail, but it wasn't easy. I'm not really used to doing that, and everyone was spread out pretty far. Or I'm just too slow. I stayed at this spot for a good 40 minutes and only managed to film these few bikes. At some point I felt like a vulture, waiting for a viral shot. I'm just kidding.
Quite some technical section, but yeah, I took it easy as my skill level is not very high or not high at all. But yeah, it's been quite fun. Yeah, still have 40 k's to go. Very nice. Yeah, this is a mini dam. Never been here. Very nice area. I think people are probably having lunch here. Here we are!
I finally arrived at the Travelers event in Avis. Now it's time to check in and set up my tent. Later in the day, my riding buddy Vitor arrived at the event with his apartment. Let me show you what I mean.
O Vitor trouxe aqui o apartamento.
Traz uma tenda com 10 pias para cravar no chão.
Trouxe apartamento e trouxe aqui estas estacas de metro.
Está bom, tão bom que eu tenho que estar a pôr tampões nos ouvidos.
Estacas de metro. Trabalha.
Parece o anão da Branca de Neve. Zangão. Tá bom.
Aqui a tenda do Vitor leva 15 estacas. O martelanço continua.
Parece acender.
Aqui T3. Já foram lá para cima. E o confortozinho do colchão.
Pá, mas ao menos deixavas-me arrumar a casa.
Isto é, pá, campismo.
Calma
não...
que ainda falta lençol, meu.
Ah, tens lençol. Muito bem.
Vitor gave me a presentation about his drone, and then we went to check out some bikes, grab a drink, get some food and socialize for the rest of the day, just like true human beings. Besides everything I've already mentioned about the event, they also set up 2 tracks that let you explore the surroundings. One track is on-road and the other off-road, and of course, we'll follow the off-road track. There are usually an easy track and a hard track. We went for the hard and a bit of sand is to be expected. The track is a loop with 107 kilometers all around this area. It's the perfect distance to stop a few times, enjoy the landscapes and have some laughs, without feeling like you need to race to the finish line.
Lot of dust as expected. A lot of motorcycles. A lot of people having fun, enjoying the views.
Olha, queres parar aqui 10 minutos a ver se eu meto o balão no ar?
Yeah, okay.
Welcome to paradise.
The weather was great and the trails were easy enough. At the event, I got the chance to meet Diogo and another Vitor. Let's call him Vitor number 2. Sorry, Vitor. At the beginning of the day, a rider named Francisco joined us as well. We've been riding the whole track together, and it's been really nice, since everyone seems to enjoy the same pace. We were about to ride into a small challenge section, and it was great to see that we all had each other's backs.
Temos de ir ajudá-lo.
Não vi.
Não está não, entrou aqui no modo normal.
Ok.
Para desativar não está.
Aqui o ideal
Mas eu acho que ela sai, eu tenho é que tirar
Ok.
do modo de...
Eu acho que se a gente der assim um...
uma coisa.
Se ajudarmos ela é capaz de depois seguir. É.
Precisam de ajuda?
Em princípio não, obrigado.
Vou tentar, obrigado. Não sei se vai em segunda ou em primeira.
Em segunda, em segunda.
Vou fazer o ice move, espera aí.
Ok. Ganda scrambler! O pneu quase estrada e passou na mesma, sem pressão. Está feito.
Já ficaram com o videozinho e tudo.
Yeah. Dale! Cuidado, desista. Areiazinha.
We had some nice lunch. And now we are back on the dirt. That's it. The trek ends here.
It was another day well spent, this time in the company of Vitor 1, Vitor 2, Tiago and Francisco. Thank you so much guys for sharing this day with me. We went back to the event and spent another night looking at the same bikes and enjoying each other's company. Because that's exactly what these events are about. Spending good times with people you already know and maybe meeting new ones. And who knows, you might end up making friendships that last a lifetime.